With its amazingly long legs and relatively short neck, the secretary bird stands 4 feet high. This inhabitant of the savannas of sub-Saharan Africa has long legs for a very good reason. It chases and catches its prey by reaching out and stamping hard with them. So efficient is this bird that it can even immobilize a venomous cobra. Favoring areas where there are acacia trees for roosting, secretary birds usually live in pairs. On waking at dawn, they preen or bask in the sun before setting out to spend the day hunting. Activity is mixed with periods of rest, sunbathing with wings held open and dust bathing. During the heat of the day, the pair soar on the rising thermals with wings outstretched, surveying their territory. If they spot intruders, they defend their patch by chasing the newcomers along the ground and kicking out with their legs. As the day ends, the pair fly back to their tree roost to sleep with their heads tucked under their wings.